Oh yeah. Look at this patty shape. Very good with this product. I like to make burgers, especially from scratch. I've used many products and they are not really useful. This is the attempt by me to make the prototype from scratch. We'll try many different methods here. So how this can work is that I can put this whole thing on the chopping board, and I put this ring in the middle, and when I need to and I put the meat down here, and I use this to press on top of the device, and I can use this gap to get rid of any of the meat. And then when I'm done, I can move this whole meat onto this plate just like that for easy transport. Let's test it. Nice, my pneumatic kit came, but it's a little bit too late to make any modifications, so I'm going to stick to the improved prototype 3 and the original prototype 2 for the final build. So I've been using a saran wrap to protect the press thing, and today I'm going to add 2 more rubber bands so it doesn't move around. Wrap it, put it away. Okay.
You have to bring the material.
The thing about this is that now I use the rubber band, so I just need to take off the rubber band and take off the saran wrap. It's pretty neat. It's very clean.